guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. And it's Navratri time. Of course, I had to come up with like a really nice look. I've done a lot of Garba looks, you've seen it before. So I thought I'll do a really nice Durga Puja look, and that's why I'm wearing this amazing blouse, if you can see. And I'm gonna wear my sari after this. I'm gonna do my makeup and I'm gonna show it to you. So let's start. So guys, I've prepped my skin already, and now we'll start with the foundation. The foundation that I'll be using today is by Bengali. So I'm just going to apply my foundation all over my face. And guys, please don't forget to apply foundation on your neck as well if you're wearing a deep blouse or something like this. I know I'm looking like a white ghost, but then let me like blend it properly. So I'm done with applying my foundation. Now I'm going to move on to my eyes. I'll be using this eyeshadow palette today. It's by ANASTASIA Beverly Hills. So we'll start with this golden shade. I'll apply this all over my eyelids. Now I'm going to take this red shade and then start with the outer corner. I'm going to show it you now. Just try to blend it properly. I'm just going to use my finger, just gently press it here. That's it. So we'll be doing a wing liner, and for that we'll be using this Wet n Wild graphic eyeliner. Now it's time for some mascara, and for that I'll be using my Bad Girl Bang. I'm going to apply at least 2 to 3 coats of mascara because I'm not doing falsies. So done with my eyes. I'm going to do my brows quickly. This is again by Makeup Revolution. I really like this brow pencil, works for me. Blush is by NARS. I really like this blush, nice and soft and light. It's not too pink or too peachy. I really like this color. So I'm just going to apply my lipstick next and highlight a bit, and then I'm going to show you my look. So this highlighter is by KYLIE. I'm just going to take this. Highlight my cheekbones. Time for some lipstick. This is by MAC Ruby Woo. I love this color. So guys, this is my complete look. I hope you guys liked it, and happy Durga Puja, happy Navratri. Enjoy yourselves and do try this look and let me know in the comment section below. And follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Gowda Official. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.